subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
In the last video, we have created Angular project. Now we will see how to create a component in Angular. Inside src, we have app, then app.component.html, app.component.SCSS, and app.component.ts. We also have app.module.ts and app.routing.module.ts. In app.routing.module.ts, we have routes where we define our routes. We will learn routing in our next video. We have assets folder where we keep our images and other media things. Then we have environment.ts where we define our environment URLs. Let's go to app.component.html. Open terminal to create a component. We will run the command nggc component/home. Here G is to generate and C is for component. And component/home means the component folder will be created and inside that a home component will be created. So press enter. This will create a home component. We will wait for some time. This home component will consist of home.component.html, home.component.SCSS, and home.component.ts. And this will also update our app.module.ts with the new component entry in it. As you can see, the app.module.ts has been updated with home component added into its declarations. Let's open app.component.html and remove all the default HTML. To add home component here, in the app.component.html, we will write a tag that is app-home. This will add our home component in our app.component.html. This app.home is the selector for home component. Now let's press Ctrl S to save and let's check the changes on the browser. Also, we will create one h1 tag, and inside this h1 tag let's write this is home component. Closing the h1 component tag and press Ctrl S. So as you can see, home works. This is our home component and this is home component, that is our h1 tag. Now let's try to change the text inside the home component. Instead of home works, we will write h1 tag and inside that I am home component. Press Ctrl S. This will automatically compile and reload the page. As you can see, we do have I am home component. So this is how you can create a